Hi everybody, Paul here with PTZOptics and HuddleCamHD, and today I want to show you the SimplTrack3. This is a dual sensor auto tracking camera that we've integrated into Hive so that you can have the ability to have a wide angle camera lens, okay, and a powerful 20x PTZ camera lens all in one package, so that you can have just one single Ethernet connection to connect to this camera for power over Ethernet, for video, for control, and you get two cameras of value out of it. And I want to show you what that looks like in Hive, but this could also be done in OBS, in vmix. And so this is the SimplTrack3 in Hive. So Hive is our remote PTZ camera control solution. It's web-based. And you can see I have the ability to easily control this camera, control the pan, the tilt, the zoom, and you can remotely control this from anywhere in the world. But the unique thing about this camera is that it has two lenses. So I want to show you how I can bring in the wide angle lens by clicking the plus button in Hive. And what I'll do here is, instead of going into my normal adding a camera setup, I'm going to manually add an RTSP stream. So this camera has, this is the IP address, and the second stream on this camera is the wide angle stream. So this single camera can give us not only a wide angle camera, but also a high quality 20x PTZ camera as well. So now you can see here in Hive, I'm going to zoom out here to show you this. I've got, from just this one single camera, I have, and I'll name this just to make it easy, right? So this is SimplTrack3 wide angle camera. Now I've got my wide angle camera and I've got my PTZ camera in Hive. So this is really great for remote production if you want to be able to see the entire stage and have a PTZ camera where we can zoom in and out. So we've got the high quality zooming in camera, right, that can zoom in and out and have PTZ controls. We've built compatibility into this with Hive for remote PTZ camera control and production so that you can share control with anyone in the world, but also giving you a wide angle camera as well, so you can see everything happening on stage. Now, the cool thing about this camera as well is that HuddleCamHD has its own auto tracking software with some really cool features I just want to briefly show as well, to show you kind of why the two sensor solution is so unique and different. So because you have that second reference camera, the wide angle camera, it was designed to be able to steer the PTZ camera within an auto tracking zone, but also create preset zones. So if someone sits down at a podcast couch, I can actually set up a preset there so that the camera, the PTZ camera, will zoom in to that specific position automatically as soon as someone walks into that space. So this is called computer vision. This is the ability to take an area of the screen. So maybe right here, for example, I could wave my hand in front of here, and I can do more than just steer the camera. I can actually send HTTP and TCP commands to IP devices. So I could switch an input on vmix or in a VizRT TriCaster. I can send commands to lighting displays, even things such as Easy Worship, ProPresenter, Epiphan Pearl encoders. So there's a lot you can do with computer vision and this second reference camera. This is really what a dual sensor camera is capable of. It allows you to do the auto tracking, but allows you to have what we call stage awareness, the ability to see everything that's going on in a space and steer a PTZ camera automatically. So if you're a one-man band or you're looking to create an automated lecture capture or live streaming system, dual sensor cameras give you multiple camera views, right? So in this camera, we're having the ability to have a high quality PTZ camera and a wide angle camera just with one built into one single device. So check out the SimplTrack3 on our website. We really think that dual sensor cameras have a unique place for live streaming, video production, and lecture capture. So let us know what you think in the comments below. And of course, set up a live demo. We can send you a PTZOptics Hive link and you can try this at home. See you in the next video.